How to use Google Jamboard, brought to you by the Center for Online and Digital Learning. Welcome! This presentation will be covering how to create and share a whiteboard presentation using Google Jamboard. If you are accustomed to using a whiteboard in your classroom, Google Jamboard might be a tool that will help you in your remote and online teaching. Google Jamboard is an interactive whiteboard that allows users to sketch ideas whiteboard style while benefiting from the access and connectivity of an interactive canvas. Using Jamboard, you have the ability to drop images, add notes, and pull assets directly from the web while collaborating with others from anywhere. In this video, we will have a look at the functionality of Google Jamboard and what it offers you, the user. We'll explore methods to implement Google Jamboard into your teaching. We'll discover ideas for interaction outside of Blackboard Learning Management Systems, or the LMS. Jamboard works like many of the Google suite of tools. We'll create a Jamboard, we can write or draw on the Jamboard, add notes, add images, and use a laser while sharing a Jamboard. So let's have a look at that. Being sure that you are logged into your Stick Gmail account, you would go on any email or drive and click the 9 dot Google Apps and then navigate to the Jamboard app. You'll double click and open up Jamboard. Once inside Jamboard, you open the little blue orange dot with the plus sign at the bottom right hand corner. Let's have a look at that. So here I am inside Jamboard. I've made a few boards. I go down and I click the dot and I will create a new jam, they call them. So now we have a jam, and I can title my Jamboard. And then we can start playing with the tools. Jamboard gives you the opportunity to change your background to dots, lines, rules, grids, anything you like. I kind of like the dots. Then over here we have a suite of tools. Pen, that you can open up and change different types of marking instruments and different colors. You can erase. You can drag things around with a pointer. You can add sticky notes. We can add images, and we can use the laser. So let's give it a try. Let's just start with the pen. If you wanted to do some equations, you could be doing a few of these types of things with your mouse or a stylus on your keypad. The ability to draw is limited somewhat by the items and the markers that you have. However, you can always erase things as well. If I wanted to add a sticky note, I can do that. Save it, and I can put it on my board. Then with my pointer, I can move this around to different areas of my Jamboard. I can add images by either selecting files from my device or from my drive. I'm going to add just something I took a picture of. Or you can drag and drop these images right into your Jamboard. Now, again, I can move my items around. And another nice option is I can write over the top of my images if I am trying to notify or have students look at a particular area or portion of something that I've noted. Once you've created as many boards as you liked, and you can add several boards to these as well, so you have like a little presentation. When you are presenting, you can use this laser feature, and this will help you bring notation to something that you're referring to. And that's a nice option as well. Jamboards are fairly easy to make and to present, and we've just shown you how to create a Jamboard and annotate on the Jamboard and share the Jamboard and display your Jamboard. You could perhaps display a Jamboard in a screen capture lecture, much as I did here, or you could do it live within a Zoom or Google Hangout video conferencing situation. To share your Jamboard, you just simply go up and share as you do most of your other Google tools. Let's have a look at that. So in the upper right hand corner, I would go to Share. Here, if I wanted to share this with my class, I could put all of the names of my students in this field right here and share that with them. Or I can go to the Advanced option, and I like to choose anyone at Springfield Community College who has this link, can view it. If you want students only to be able to be the ones who can possibly edit it, for example, if you wanted students to collaborate on Jamboard, you would probably want to choose this one. Anyone with Springfield Technical Community College with the link can view, can edit, can comment. You make the choice. If students are going to be collaborating, I would recommend highly that they can edit. Of course, being sure that you include to your instructions to your students telling them that they must be on their STIC Gmail account in order to do this. Then you would simply save and then share. I can save this save this link, copy it, and then place it anywhere that I want to share with my students in an email, or if you are using the Blackboard LMS, you could send an announcement or whatever. But as long as they have this link, they can access that, and then if they're logged into their STIC Gmail account, they should be able to edit. We highly encourage anyone wanting to try a whiteboard to give Google Jamboard a try and see how it works for you. If you need any support or have any questions about Google Jamboards, contact us at digitallearning@stcc.edu or book time with one of us for a one-on-one support session. You can visit our website at the above URL. And we really hope you give Google Jamboard a try, share it out with your students, and please report back to us how that goes.